Hi team, welcome to the session of InfoSec Train, and today we're going to discuss about the thin line difference between the VA and PT, vulnerability assessment versus penetration testing. Okay, I've seen a lot of people get confused with this particular statement. So let me explain you in a very simple term. See, vulnerability assessment is all about identifying the vulnerability in the systems. Okay, so let's say example, this is my system. So I'm identifying the vulnerability here. Okay, so we use some tools. Based on the tools, we basically scan the system and look for the known signatures of the vulnerability. If vulnerability is basically matched, after taking a management approval, we try to exploit the vulnerability and getting into the system. That is basically called as a PT. So identifying the weakness is basically called VA. But banging the particular glass door and getting into the facility, that is basically called PT. So we always need to take an approval of VA also and PT also. Thank you.